In our fast-paced lives, stress has become an inevitable part of our daily routine. Beyond affecting our mental well-being, stress can wreak havoc on our physical health, and surprisingly, it can also take a toll on our skin. One noticeable outcome of chronic stress is the aggravation of oily skin. In this video, we delve into the intricate relationship between stress and oily skin, exploring how practicing mindfulness and stress management techniques can become integral components of an effective skincare strategy. When stress becomes chronic, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels can lead to an increase in oil production in the skin's sebaceous glands. This surplus of oil can clog pores, contributing to acne breakouts and an overall oily complexion. Moreover, stress-induced inflammation can exacerbate skin conditions, making it imperative to address stress not just for mental health, but for clear and radiant skin. Dedicate time each day for mindfulness meditation to effectively diminish stress. Find a few quiet moments to either concentrate on deep breathing or quietly repeat a soothing mantra. This exercise not only assists in reducing stress hormones, but also enhances your overall state of health. Make it a habit to practice breathing techniques daily. By taking deliberate, slow breaths, you engage the body's relaxation response via the parasympathetic nervous system. For optimal results, try the belly breathing method. Slowly inhale through the nose, pause briefly, and gently exhale through the mouth. Engage in yoga to manage stress with grace. The integration of physical poses and conscious breath work in yoga helps attain mental peace, decreases bodily strain, and ensures a more flexible physique, offering a comprehensive method for stress control. Elevate your daily skincare routine to a mindful ritual. Be fully present in each stage of your skincare, from the first cleanse to the final application of moisturizer. Opt for skincare products infused with soothing components, such as chamomile or lavender to enhance the calming effect. Allow this time to be an oasis of serenity in your bustling day. Emphasize the intake of a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and sources of omega-3s. Limit the amount of caffeine and sugar consumed, as they might increase inflammation and worsen stress-related skin conditions. Prioritize obtaining a healthy amount of sleep, crucial for mitigating stress and preserving skin wellness. Aim to maintain a regular sleeping pattern and develop a serene nighttime ritual to aid in obtaining peaceful slumber. Participate in consistent exercise to stimulate the release of endorphins, which act as the body's innate stress alleviator. Regular activity also enhances circulation, key for skin that looks and feels healthy. Ensure you drink plenty of water each day to keep the skin plump and youthful. Staying well hydrated helps keep the skin's elasticity intact and aids in the detoxification process, promoting a more radiant skin tone. Mindful skincare goes beyond the surface, addressing the interconnectedness of our mental and physical well-being. By acknowledging the stress and oily skin connection, And incorporating mindfulness techniques and stress management strategies into our skincare routines, we can achieve not only healthier skin, but also a more balanced and serene lifestyle. Embrace the power of mindfulness and let your skincare routine become a gateway to both inner calm and outer radiance.